Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As we have already seen that the price line is moving in one of the longest down channel in Bitcoin's history on the daily time frame. And while moving to the downside, it has also broken down a very important support of $39,600 as well. And right now it is moving below this support. And today we will try to analyze is there any possibility for the price reversal and to break out this resistance. And there is another head and shoulder pattern, like in my last video I showed you. There was a head and shoulder pattern, inverse head and shoulder pattern formation, but there is another inverse head and shoulder pattern also formed within that head and shoulder pattern that I was showing you in my last video. And I want to show you that move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this weekly time frame. And here we can see that we are moving between the support of $28,600 and the resistance of approximately $69,000. And the price line did not break down this support for the long term, like we had a bounce from here in January 2021. Again, we had a bounce from here in the month of June 2021. Now we are again very close to this support. However, if we will have a reversal move from there, from here, then we can expect that the price line is following this up trend line support, and this is the formation of an up channel. And during this move of price reversal, it can set another higher than previous high. And we can also see that we also have a hidden bullish divergence on this weekly time frame, a very big hidden bullish divergence. And as the price line formed this low, another low is higher than previous one. But if we take a look at the RSI oscillator, then it has formed the next low lower than previous one. So therefore there is a hidden bullish divergence appeared, and that can be really very helpful for the price line of Bitcoin to start a reversal move from here. Now let's move back to this daily time frame, and here we were watching that on the 4-hourly time frame we had the formation of an inverse head and shoulder. This was the left shoulder. Here we had the head, and here we had the formation of the right shoulder. And this is the neckline. And after breaking out this neckline, we will have the first confirmation whether we are going to break out this resistance of the channel and start a big reversal from this support of the bigger channel or not. Now, if we switch to the more small time frame, like on the hourly time frame, then we can see that here we have a big head and shoulder that I was showing you. And this is the right shoulder. But here on the hourly time frame, we have another head and shoulder formation, like this is the left shoulder. And here we have the head, and here we have the right shoulder. If I'll place the head shoulder pattern, then it will be more visible for you. Here we have the left shoulder, here we have the head, and here we have the right shoulder of the pattern. The left shoulder is smaller than head, therefore this is a head and shoulder pattern formation. Now the price line is moving towards the neckline, and if the price line breaks out the resistance of the bigger head and shoulder pattern, then there will be a high probability that the price line will break out the resistance, or at least make a powerful attempt to break out the resistance of this bigger head and shoulder pattern. You can see that the target of the smaller head and shoulder is exactly where we have the neckline of the bigger head and shoulder patterns. So next few hours are really very important, because we are moving towards the neckline of the smaller head and shoulder pattern, and it will decide whether are we going to break out the bigger head and shoulder pattern or not. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.